Hello students, welcome to the class on marketing management. From the above discussions on product strategy, it can be concluded that product strategy defines what your product should achieve and how that supports the organization and is brought to life through the product roadmap. This strategy outlines the end-to-end vision of the product, particulars on achieving the product strategy, and the big picture context in terms of what the product will become. Companies utilize the product strategy in strategic planning and marketing to identify the direction of the company's activities. The product strategy is composed of a variety of sequential processes in order for the vision to be effectively achieved. The company must be clear in terms of the target market for the product in order for them to plan the activities needed in order to reach the destination and to achieve its goals. Thank you very much.